Trust is something, again, that is paramount, particularly in a publishing business, or really in any business. If you don't have the trust of your audience, you're screwed. And that was very early on. It was apparent that the voice that we had created was resonating with our guy, and it was because we were so obsessed with creating great content. Our Austin editor is sitting in the front row here, and he's an example of the kind of people that we were bringing on they weren't interested in business aspects in many cases. They really just wanted a better city guide, and they were willing to do whatever it took to create it. The next piece of validation, which I think is equally important, probably more so to our investors, was user growth. And we found that because we couldn't go out and buy users, we had to go and create something that was going to be naturally viral. So we were obsessed with the data day in and day out, focusing on how to create content that got forward and got shared. And it worked. And when we were in New York at first, we sort of developed a core user base. You guys can all come in and